Total Security Protection's mission is to provide industry-leading security system servicing and support. And our NSI-compliant service contracts are tailored to your individual system requirements. While NSI compliance requires an 8-hour and 4-hour response time, we aim to resolve faults on the first visit, with a return to service time of between 4 and 8 hours. Our engineers' skill and focus on rapid return to service, along with critical parts held on every service vehicle, mean we repair over 80% of all faults on the first visit to a client site. Our system lifetime support includes tailored service level agreements, full transparency reporting, remote monitoring and diagnostics, reactive maintenance and planned preventative maintenance, a 24-hour dedicated support team, support throughout the UK and Europe, service and maintenance to all of your security systems, including gates and barriers, which are maintained by our in-house engineering team, as well as cards and security system accessories. One of the weakest links in a company's cybersecurity defence is its security systems, which can often create a backdoor into IT networks. Security systems are typically governed by software and firmware, which require regular updates, upgrades and bug patches. TSP creates bespoke service support agreements to help mitigate risk and protect against vulnerabilities. Without the most recent software releases and upgrades, your security system may be vulnerable. Access to the manufacturer for support services and patches may not be available, heightening your vulnerabilities. Diagnosing fault root causes and fix may not be possible without latest software and firmware installed. There could be substantial delays with hardware fault diagnosis and repairs. System diagnostics and associated repairs may not be supported or provided by the manufacturer. There could also be hardware and software incompatibilities for repairs and replacement components. Software releases give protection against vulnerabilities and provide bug fixes. Access to telephone and remote support from the system manufacturer. Working in conjunction with the manufacturer, we can improve root cause diagnosis, deliver repairs faster and reduce system downtime. When required, technical evaluations are undertaken on or off-site to provide solutions to system faults. Improve system operational performance, ensuring that your systems are operating at peak efficiency. Extend the life of your hardware with enhanced system features released by the manufacturer. Upgrades to software and firmware are essential in guaranteeing that your security system software has the most up-to-date features, as well as defending your networks from cyber attacks and maintaining your security system's optimal health, safety and performance. To learn more about our system lifetime support and bespoke service support agreements, contact Total Security Protection today.